Guys, Velian speaks tech, VST here, and yet another update on the Oxygen OS Open Beta for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, that's interesting. I'm directly showing you guys the system update from the OS, and yeah, it just says that my system is up to date. But because we have the very good Oxygen OS Update, let's try from Oxygen OS Update. Oxygen OS Update, okay. So when I hit the Oxygen OS Update, guys, I apparently can already see that there is a new update, namely the Oxygen OS Open Beta 11. And let's see, guys, there are not really a lot of things. So only on the system side, fix the frame rate issue to improve screen recording experience, optimize the adaptive brightness feature, fix the random switch to Gboard while using SwiftKey or a third-party keyboard, and I am using a third-party keyboard, hell yeah, and updated the Android security patch to the latest from March. And guys, it's only about 200 megabytes, so I'm pressing download. Okay, it is starting to download, guys, and there are not really a lot of things that I can show you hands-on and real experience, but perhaps we can check the Android security patch if it's really for March. So anyway, just wanted to make this video so that you know if you're using the OnePlus 7 Pro, then you can get the latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 10+1, which is 11. All right, yeah, lame joke, I know, but it has been in the process of the download, and then I'm gonna let you know how you can apply it, guys. If you don't know about Oxygen OS Updater, I'm going to link this beautiful application into the video description, all right? So use it very wisely, guys. With the Oxygen OS Updater, you can apparently go and you can select to receive incremental updates like the one that I'm receiving right now. You can also select to receive like full updates. So there are plenty of settings, and I think I did a video about that, or if not, probably I will do in the future. But just know that with the Oxygen OS Updater, you get access to the very latest Oxygen OS Open Betas, all right? Sometimes before they even reach the OTA or over-the-air service of a OnePlus 7, right? So it's a very cool app. And again, I just want to say kudos to the people who created this application. Now 20% more to go. And guys, let's use this video for me to show you how you can install the custom downloaded Oxygen OS Open Beta Update. Now, because it's not routed, you know, of course I cannot do it from here, but what I can do, guys, let me just show. You have to scroll down, go to settings, then you go to system, then you go to system update. Now, of course, checking updates, your system is up to date, but what I can do here, I can go on the cogwheel and I can choose a local upgrade, guys. So the local upgrade will give me access to the downloaded files. Now, have in mind, if you have multiple files, you're gonna see them here. Right now, I just have this, so I'm gonna do like that. Local upgrade, the system update will not affect your data. However, ensure your data integrity, please perform a backup. Yeah, we all know, but nobody does really, right? Install now. Okay, and the installation now is starting. Okay, with that said, I will not make you wait. I will resume the video when we are back to 100%. And then again, guys, there are not really a lot of things that I can check with you, but perhaps we can only do the check on the security update, which should be the most recent one from March. Now, what I'm looking forward to see is also the auto brightness, how this feature is implemented, how well it works, because we know that the auto brightness is not working very well in the Android 10. And I can tell you, I am not happy with the auto brightness at all in the Android 10, okay? So let's see, let's go back when everything is installed and rebooted and see what else we can see from the latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 11. Now is the time for me to say thank you very much for watching my videos. If you do like them, you know what to do. You can hit up the bells, whatever, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, or even just leave a comment. Again, thank you. And actually, while I'm speaking, we're almost at the half of it. So probably, yeah, it's not gonna take that much time. Again, oh, you see, now it's upping up a little bit. It's only 189 megabytes, guys. So again, but you never know. No, the problem with these updates is that whatever they say, you know, my favorite part is like when they mentioned, yeah, you know, we have implemented bug fixes, but they never tell you, right? And here's the time for me to emphasize again, and boom, we're almost ready. Cool, I'm not even going to have to speed up the video. We need to always be very clear on that one. It is a better software, guys. I'm having problems with my Viber. I don't use WhatsApp, but you know, I hate it. At some point, I'm even not able to open Viber and like send pictures. This doesn't really work. I'm not sure why. It probably has to do something with the gallery. They did some bug fixes last time. It's still not working so great, but honestly, I don't have any problems whatsoever. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the reboot. Boom. Okay, and we're going to see the miracle happen. And so, actually guys, my message was, if you spot some bugs, then you can please list them down here into the video comments. But then what you need to do, go on the OnePlus forums, and then you can register these bugs, guys. The more people register to one bug or just avoid a bug, you know, the higher we have a chance for the OnePlus team to really fix those bugs. So this is really my advice to you. Let's see, that's an interesting moment. Because the update is a small one, I can show the whole process without speeding up the video, so you can pretty much see what happens. Now have in mind that the first boot can take a little bit more of your time, but again, not always. It's not always the case, right? And as long here this code is moving, I think we have game. We're in the business. Okay. Now I'll give it a little bit time for the phone to wrap up, to really install everything where it should go, and hopefully then we can just see some of the things, which is actually the security patches for March. And yes, I know that I do talk a lot. All right, I'm shutting up. And the phone has been updated. So let's go to settings, about phone, and we can see the build number. So we have here the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 11. What we can go and check is security, and then we can see that apparently we have the security update from the 1st of March. And this is pretty much all we can test on this phone right now, guys, because they said that the outer buttons have been fixed. Those are things that we cannot check that easily, but I'll promise you that I'll check everything and I'll get to the bottom of it. And with that said, I'm not sure why this is flickering like this, but with that said, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want to reach out to me, you know where to find me. I'm on Telegram or here on YouTube, or also use my Twitter account. And guys, really stay safe, stay at home, be positive, and speak again very, very soon. VST over and bye.